Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to translate using Chatgpt. As the world becomes increasingly connected, the ability to communicate with people from different countries and cultures has become more important than ever. With ChatGPT, you can easily translate text from one language to another in just few simple steps and in just few seconds. So let's dive in and get started. Navigate to the ChatGPT website at openai.com. Once you are on the home page, you will see the Try ChatGPT button on the left corner of the screen. Click on it. You will be redirected to the login page where you can click on the login button to sign in. Then you will need to enter your registered email address or username and password and press continue button to log in. The first step to translating with ChatGPT is to input the text you want to translate. You can do this by typing or passing your text into the input field on the ChatGPT website. For example, let's say you want to translate the sentence, "Hello, how are you?" from English to Spanish. You would input this text into the inputs field on the website. Next, you need to choose the language you want to translate your text into. You can do this by adding a slash followed by the target language code after or before the sentence input. In our example, we would choose Spanish as our target language. Once you have input your text and selected your target language, you can generate the translation by clicking the enter button on the ChatGPT bar. In our example, ChatGPT would generate the translation "Hola, ¿cómo estás?", which is the Spanish equivalent of "Hello, how are you?". You can translate whatever comes into your mind, of small sentences to long articles with pretty precise translation and correct grammar. So that's it. With these three simple steps, you can easily translate any text using ChatGPT. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope you found it helpful. See you soon.